Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be preparing stir fry pork, and the next dish will be cherry tomato and potato curry. The cherry tomato I'm using is from Manipur, and the third dish is a special spicy petai salad, Yongchak metpa. So let's start preparing them. Most of my recipes are without oil. The water has dried up and it has got nice aroma, roasted pork aroma. So let's put the onion. Onion half stick, one medium sized onion. Good jolokia, dry galangal, marrow. Salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, ginger and garlic, just sprinkle on top, and I'll just cook this on low flame for just 1-2 minutes. Minute mani low flame le thonge. Cook in low flame until the onion softens. Pyasi soft or the low flame is on. I'll put a little bit of water so that the pork doesn't burn. Cover it, cook it for some time. Keep stirring in between. Merak what to you? I'll put 1 tablespoon of chili powder for color. Now I'll put the fermented bamboo shoot. Now let's put water. Put enough water and cook until done. Now the curry is cooked. Now the cherry tomato curry. Manipuri special cherry tomato, very sour. Tomato potato, chili, green chili, garlic and onion. That's all. Let's start preparing it. Put water in a wok. It's a boiled recipe. Put the green chilies, garlic, onion. I'll put the sliced potato. salt to taste. I'll put a piece of ngari, fermented fish. This is optional. Now put the cherry tomato and culantro. You can use coriander leaves. The potato is almost cooked. It's thinly sliced. Garnish it with spring onion. Tilhaw mana. Spring onion goes very well. Now my curry is done. Lassi. Let's scrape the outer part of the petai. Yongchak lassi. I'm scraping out just the green part. Cutting between the seeds. Sidi zaune sum kaglaga zage mrok me laga. In boiling water, I put the petai. Just drop it and check it out. I don't want the petai to be cooked. Switch off the flame. Check it out. Yare. This is my basic sauce. Ngari, fermented fish and fresh bhut jolokya. Umro atek pa mahap kre. Mix it. Now garnish it with onion. Pyaz ka habraga. Mix the ready to be served. Pork ngau ire. Petai salad, Yongchak metpa, cherry tomato curry. Boil mustard shoots. Hanggang maton phutpane. Again, let's start enjoying. Put everything. Yongchak metpa si yam spicy oina. Metpa ni ngari su yam yae. Aure. Hangom ton ya. Superb. However, it's too good. Cherry tomato is very sour. The sourness is sharp sour. si cherry tomato si Manipuri do ne mapan gi di sin de Manipuri de am sin le adu sin bu yam hawe just love this tomato. Hawa yang gak so nok sabar ngari so asi Yongchak si ai friend Romita gi maman thabi rakuni dui dama ima bu yam thagat chiri yam hauna chare ora phojen Yongchak si 그지 이신 사람들 하프스 가수 가데 하우스 야마 할래 Ahora isi isu hau bunga oire lo in mai taring isi isu in other countries, they eat only the seeds of the petai, but we eat the white part as well. Yongchak se other country gum si am chai Thailand gum si am chai adu moi di murung ak ni chap si koi di khel le chai moi di murung ala thol chai am pa mo. Today I feel like eating the fat part. Galangal goes very well with pork. Try it out. Green, this mustard shoot is very sweet. It's half cooked. How are I see it's up on here. How I present. See why the lotion there again. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.